First, combination of dry ginger, black pepper, pan, and tulsi. These are all wonderful herbs, and in every household, these things are available. Sometimes pan may not be available, but other three are in any case available. Boil all these ingredients in water for some time, for 10 minutes or so, and then strain it and drink it. If it is too pungent, you can put jaggery inside and drink it, but you must take such a liquid twice a day at least. That would really help you.